Okay, this last video on Pythagorean theorem will be a very short one. It's just going over the two types of examples that you will find when using the Pythagorean theorem. One is when you're solving for the hypotenuse, and one is when you are solving for a different side. So the Pythagorean theorem is only used for right-angled triangles. The A and the B are the legs, and the C is the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the longest side, and it is opposite the right angle. And then leg 1 and leg 2 are just the other two sides. So when the hypotenuse is unknown, so your formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it doesn't matter which one is a and which one is b. So we can substitute 3 for a, 4 for b, and in this case our hypotenuse is e, so we just substitute e. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 9 plus 16 is 25. And then to find e, you just take the square root of both sides, so e is equal to 5. When you're solving for one of the sides, so it's one of the two legs is unknown, so again we start with the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It doesn't matter which one is a and which one is b. It does matter which one is the hypotenuse. So a is 9. This time b you just substitute for e, and c is 15. 9 squared is 81. 15 squared is 225. And if you subtract 81 from both sides, you get 144. And then when you take the square root, that will equal 12. Sometimes when you take the square root, you'll get a decimal, so you may have to round to 1 decimal place, so just keep that in mind. And that's it. That's your video on using Pythagorean theorem, whether you have to solve for a leg or the hypotenuse. Thank you.